Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag. Welcome!
Choose a shopping cart. Next, let's go buy what we need together. School bag. Water bottle. Towel. Pants. Top.
Put the items here.
Put the money into the coin slot.
I've bought everything I need.